The Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. Part 5. It shines by itself and is not to be obstructed. This self-awareness dawns on us as being the truth and the wisdom that we know. It shines by itself. It is not to be visualized. It is not part of any object. The shining space of perfect wisdom has no words. It is the true perfection of equanimity. We do not think about ourselves. We do not think about anyone else. We do not think of either of them. We are free from these extreme positions. There is nothing to be generated and no act of generation, for there is no cause for these things. The uncreated heart essence of enlightenment is not born and does not end. It is free from these conventionalities. Our wisdom is perfected, and whatever there may be it caused or uncaused in this shining domain, is unified in this dominion. We do not generate it, for it is present from the primordial. This wheel that occurs by itself has been shining since the primordial. Our fruition has been present in its own cause since the primordial. In the heart essence of wisdom, everything is perfect. Everything is one. There are no differences. In the heart essence of uncontrived enlightenment, the clarity of reflexive awareness is perfect without our seeking it. In the heart essence of enlightenment, we seem to be looking for something in the darkness with a lamp, so we use deceptive words to join symbols with meanings, to elucidate samsara as being the heart essence of enlightenment. We use no generation, for this has no connection to causes and fruitions. In the heart essence of the Vajra, they are perfected in a single instant. When we unite boundaries, we abide in unity, in clarity, a self-luminescent mandala. We are primordially cleansed of ignorance regarding conditions. This is the highest illumination of uncaused wisdom. There is nothing like the transmission of the selfless emptiness of self-awareness, for it frees us instantaneously from the current. The dominion of the Dharma has no country and has no visualization. It is uncontrived and occurs by itself. It has no connection with conditions. Therefore its abode, occurrence, and coalition do not fall into a position that claims that everything is a material reality. It is because we know it, practice it, and it is something to understand, that it is not connected to names, designations, and symbols. It is not connected to the extreme there is in designating some realness.